Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2, and we are live. Let's go. All right. I'm like 6 minutes late, but we haven't missed anything. And you know what they say? It's better late than never. So let's see what the market has in store for us. All right, let's go to some analysis real quick. We did have some news at 5:30, and seems like wow. All right, so anybody who tried to pass a challenge there, seems like it worked so well for you. 110 points, so congratulations on that. I'm sure the owner of this app right here called 2 Degrees, he streams those things. Why does this thing, why do you do that to me all the time? So let me log in here real quick. I don't know why, it just surprises me. Oh, 20th February. Surprise, surprise. Boom. Okay, we're good. There we go. Make sure the side is taken care of. All right. We might be getting something here. So we've taken out, this is the 15-minute time frame right here. That's pretty much where I start my analysis. Well, that's where, yeah, I could say that. So there's some buy side we've taken out over there. So the zone I'm looking at right now will be those two highs right there on the 15-minute. Just let me make sure what I'm seeing on the 30-minute. So the 30-minute will be the whole of this up candle. So I think we're good. The other thing I want to see, if I go to the left side, are we inside a bigger zone? Because that becomes my main aim. We've taken out some sell side here too, but I prefer if we don't take sell side. If I'm thinking that we're gonna be going down. Anyway, I'm interested in this zone for now. It's a valid zone to me. So man, if we can just go in early to then get it over with, man, that would be so so special. Just get done with the stream in like 20 minutes. Oof. I noticed that my mic kind of hides my face, and I think when it's right there, I'm still audible, even right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there. 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it doesn't have to be on top of my, in front of my face. Maybe up a little bit. Right there's good. All right, seems like we might be getting a quick one today. I hope it works for us, so we just get it done with. Again, I might be just risking one contract. We'll see. Let me do some 65. Yeah, pretty much one contract. 129, 258. 2 contracts. We'll see how that goes. We'll see. If it's gonna be so little, then I can adding another way down. Okay, I'm liking this. So are we likely to keep going down? I don't have high time frame levels. Yes, we've taken out that low. Yo. All right, so what I'm gonna do, let me check out gold as well. Check out gold as well. And put it up here, and it looks like it looks okay. As that one is going down, let me get some zones here on gold on the 15-minute time frame. I like this one. That's good. And the other zone is gonna be this guy here. If we, so all these are not confirmed, we're just like foresight, if I would say that. If the candle closes here, then now it's a confirmed zone. So we're just anticipating to see. Why do I say we? I'm anticipating. All right, let's go to a higher time frame a little bit. Let's go to the daily, see what we're messing with around here. So the Friday EQ is right there. What I'm gonna do is just change that to the previous day low. The levels is just right there, and then this old low that could stay there, but I might just get another level to put it down here. I don't know if, I don't think it does the half of this candle, because this already went through it. So what we're gonna do is take that wick and make sure we have that half level there. It's not the previous day EQ, but it's the previous day, and we can have those levels in there for now. Previous day week EQ. So in case we're going down, the open price here is gonna be also an area to watch out for. So what we do is previous day, I'm gonna just do previous day O, previous day open. So I'm also watching what the 1 minute is doing here, so I can just be relaxed. So no setup goes without me. I'll make this bigger. Okay, we can handle that later. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Let me see what we're missing here. So we've taken out that sell side. I don't know. We might have to wait a little bit because we've taken out buy side, we've taken out sell side. The 5:30 news just shot up to take that buy side from yesterday. So what are we likely to do? Keep going up? I do favor going up. All right, I'm gonna take a small break here. I'm a little bit under the weather. Need to blow my nose. Funny guy. Funny for nay. All right, sorry. Now on the way up, man, if we close up here, then we're going to be dealing with a huge zone, which will be this high right there. We've taken our sell side. If we break up here, that will be like a change in, that will be like a break of structure. So a retest of that to go for higher levels. I don't need that level right there. If we keep going up, this might be where we end up, from that low to that high. So that previous day low from yesterday could be where we get to, and we're still bullish then around this area. That is if we wanna go up, but we'll see. So I need to wait for all these EMAs to line up and for price to come back into my dynamic area zone, and then line up again for me to take a trade. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. 1, 2, I'm back. I keep my promises. I got jokes. I got jokes. I got jokes. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. What did we miss here? Nothing. Alright, we took out some more buy side here. So I'm just going to update that. Took out some more highs over there. So this is called Seek and Destroy, I believe. Taking out a high, going down, taking out a low, and I think I should just leave those all those levels there. So we really see what's going on here. Now these are I find this music to be so soothing when I'm trading. I love it. I love the slow music with that gospel feel, Christian feel. Alright, so we're currently on top of this zone here. I don't like it so much. For the fact that we took out these highs, I'm not a fan. So I might let this one slide. I am not a fan at all. The EMAs are aligning here, but see how the 150 are kind of straight. I'm not seeing any trending information over there. And this is the 1 minute. EMAs going straight like that. Anyway, it's the last 4 minutes. 100, last 100 candles, whatever that means. All right, let's go to a higher time frame, see what we. Okie doke, look at this. I haven't cleaned my chart yet, so just bear me. Okay, doesn't matter. Monthly. So we've taken out this month, February has taken out January, December, and just about to take out, what is this? November low. But that's on a high time frame business. November low, we'll just have it there. So the daily, we've taken out yesterday's low. So are we likely to see higher prices? Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. The 1 minute, we currently have a low and a higher low. So if we break that structure, then probably we could be getting set up for higher prices. So we could. Do I have these candles half? Previous day, week? No, I don't. I should. Previous day low. Previous day high. we're gonna get rid of that. That's already done. This is gonna be somewhere here. Let's do that real quick. So the half level is somewhere there. The previous day EQ, previous day half point. So if we're going up, then we should, you know, likely get there. Now, do I want this level here? We've already taken out that low. We'll just leave it just to see if it's gonna do anything. Now, so if we're going up, I'm gonna be looking out for that level, that previous day half point. If we're going low, then look for these levels here, the previous day open or the week half of it, or the all daily low. So hopefully before we get there, we get our 1:2 when we out, or if we are going on our way up, we get our 1:2 and we out. So structure will define that for us. For now, we are in the green, or could be just a retracement day, and we have to be careful here. As you can see, we are taking highs and taking lows, then taking highs. We didn't take a low here. Then we went back up, took out our high, and now took out this low. So we are in between two buy sides and a sell side. One buy side. We've taken out a sell side here. Now, the safest way to deal with this will be to wait for this high to be taken out or this low to be taken out. But then again, it could be another seek and destroy situation where they take out that low to come up and take out that high. And pretty much that's why I do have my indicators here. So I just go in. If I get smoked, I get smoked. If I win, I win. Because now we will keep on trying to guess here all day long. And then just keep it one trade a day. That's it. So if we are going down, then this is gonna be my zone of interest. Close below, retest, and then keep going down to these levels. The 30-minute, this would be the zone here. That would be the zone right there. I like the 15-minute. Now, the 5-minute time frame has some refined zones as well, but I don't know. I mean, I do know, but I don't know. But I do know. For example, the 5-minute zone would be this one right here. So it's forming real quick, and we can get an in a trade early. But if we are wrong, then we get stopped out fast too. So if that's your thing, then you know, just go for it. For me, I prefer the 15-minute. They're a little bit slower, but a little bit sure, if I would say that. Now, for the 1 minute, the zone is this right here. So it's even a more, because we have these down candles and we went up. So that will be, we took our buy side. If we close below here, that will be break of structure, and a retest, and then look for lower levels. We'll see how that goes. For now, we just keep waiting. Okay, let's see what gold is doing. 530. Ooh, clean. Does that CPI move? The news here. Where? That was today. This news here. What would my zone look like? We had this one. Okay, since we're going up, we had that one. Okay, nothing's happening. And then we have this one here. But it's inside of this one, so I will take the bigger one right there. And yep. So we closed at 6 to 6:15. And the 6:30 came into this zone, and now we're going up. So this looks good. Do I want to take a long here with gold? This is already a signal here. Oh yeah. And it looks good. All right, let's take this trade on gold, get it over with. So my stop loss is gonna be right there. If we get smoked, we get smoked. Doesn't have to be ES. Let me see how much of goodness. Oh, we have to go back here. Gold. Hey, gotta be ready to take that trade. 180. Yeah, that's okay. So one contract. Stop loss will be right here. I like what's happening. Let me see the 15-minute. Yep, it's kind of defined, but where are they going? Up here is where we have buy side. So if I do get a signal here on gold, I'm gonna take it. If we get smoked, we get smoked. And if we win, we win. So that's a good distance. All right, one contract over there. It really wants to go up. You're already in an uptrend here. So yesterday, as Nasdaq was going down, gold was going up, and Nasdaq kept on being bearish, and gold was going up. So I was like, yo, this is how I remember these two behaving. But gold just tanked like crazy, bruh. So I'm thinking what it was is I'm comparing with CFDs. Okay, guys, I need a break here. It's kind of a tough morning for me here. What just happened? Okay, give me a second. we're back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have Nasdaq on this side. Just check out what they're doing on that 1 minute. So one is setting up. No. Oh, looks good on the 15 minute. But we're doing 1 minute here, and that's the zone. So what is it likely to do, man? Gold doesn't want to move. Once we break that trend line right there, I'm going in. Just one contract. My stop loss just below that 100 EMA. If we lose, we're gonna be losing 180 to $200, which is okay. I don't trust. No, you should never trust price. Maybe I should keep this simple, right? Just have gold here. If I need to look at the 15, just go real quick. Bruh. Okay, if we close above those highs, I am very interested. 55 minutes, 52 seconds. I mean, don't go too far, man. Just chill, my brother. Relax, take notes. Relax. I don't like that rejection. Okay, hey, calm down, man. Oh boy. So 11. Okay, I'm gonna go in that by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're in. So here we're gonna be doing buy stop. What we're gonna do here is a stop loss. So we just bought. It's gonna be a sell stop. And then let's calculate our 1:2. Hopefully this works so we can get it over with this stream. Now that looks like I don't want to stream. So we can, finish our day early. 1:2 is just right there, and that's gonna be a sell limit. There we go. So let's see how this works. I hope we do get that win. That'll be nice for the day. Not asking for too much. Buy side is all the way up here. And let's just concentrate on gold, because I'm not gonna be taking another setup here. Now we know gold can move real quick. I hope it does that for us today. Otherwise, everything looked okay. I'm gonna take this back to the 15 minute and let's just watch price like this. So 35 points here on gold. That's what we were asking for. Stop loss is 17 points. So let's see how this goes. Yep, that's the center. All right, so there's nothing to do here but just chill and wait and see. Let me start this up here. It's gonna start on this side. So I hope we don't get logged out, which is something I think might happen. Maybe I'll just log in real quick. There's a high probability we're gonna be logged out here. Okay, we're fine. All right, and so I can show this window now. Where is it? We're in drawdown, bruh. Don't do this to me. Low battery. Okay. So I put it on studio mode. Okay, there we go. All right, $60 in drawdown right now. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing real quick. That's gold. Nasdaq wants to go up. Okay, it was a good setup anyway. Let's see how this goes, my brothers. I can put my name here, but I think it's just set to go back to 2 degrees. Yeah, that makes sense. Wrong window. Oh, come on. I was looking for the watermark that just prints in the back of the chart. But then I found this one here. I think it's just fine. I don't know what that means. Just put my name here. Yeah, so we can see the time frame up there. Maybe that's too big. Let's look at NQ real quick. Ooh, we are going down. Well, the conditions were not so conducive, but it's all good. So we just touched the 50 again, and we do have like a nice time frame here. Trend line over there. Let me see how much we will be losing if at all our stop loss is gonna get hit. Create that limit order, only one contract, so we're only losing $175. We can take that. We can take that. What do I do here? Oh, imagine if I close my position, that'll be wrong. Okay, this is not looking so good so far. And Q is currently tanking here. Oh yeah, so looks like we're gonna be getting smoked here. What was the potential? We only saw 3.7 points here on gold futures. Let's see if we can make a turnaround here. Some sort of a comeback. Honestly, something I've been looking at is price does like to give you a second chance. Like before they hit your stop loss, it's like they'll come back here, you know, I don't know, just to see what you're gonna do and then come and hit your stop loss. So that's something I've been fighting with, but I've seen it so many times, man. But it's so hard. When it gets back here, you're like, oh, we're finally gonna go and hit TP. So I don't know. If we come back here, should I close? I will close and then see if it keeps on being bullish, then I might re-enter and then maybe get us a better area for a stop loss. I don't know, but for now we are on life support here. Oh, in terms of this setup. So can we get back? That's not funny. So entry was at 708. It's now 719. 11 minutes. Okay, let's go look at my NQ real quick. What do these guys want to do? $100 in drawdown. $118. Alright, we're about to get smoked here. We are about to get smoked. Or not. Remember when, I don't know if every beginner does this, but when price would come to your stop loss, you'd keep moving it and moving it and moving the stop loss, hoping that the price would turn around. Oh boy. Just because you did it once and it worked, and you just wanted to keep on doing it, and you end up losing so much. Oh boy, stop loss. And we're still that's the zone, and it's holding actually. Cause so let's see, we might have some hopes here. Honestly, I like it when I go in, we just stay above my entry. Like the 2 wins that we've had this week, they kind of did that. Go in and it just stays up. Shoo. 724. What is this thing likely to do? We don't know. The 15-minute candle is currently bearish, bro. It's currently bearish. The other time frames, they are bullish. We didn't quite take out the daily low, but we got to the week EQ. Previous day high. We just have that level there. But that's what we're fighting right now. We have it, it's right. Oh, that's previous week. Has to be like a previous day. Previous day week. Yes, save it like that. Previous day high. Okay, we did find some support. See right there on that previous day week EQ. And then my stop loss is just right there. Me don't know. Now I'm wishing at that point I would have just come out with a small loss. Just didn't give it a second chance. But you know, once we submit, let's just submit, honestly. Okay, what is this guy doing? Oh. Wow. So everything lined up. We just touched. Even if it goes through, the problem is that will be my entry. Would I have my stop loss down here? Probably. But that would be my second chance. So if I did enter this one, my stop loss would have to be below those lows. I can't have it below the 100 because some action here. But this is so easy to look at and say. If I waited, then it'd have to be a candle, and then this time my stop loss will be below this low. So I'm gonna have it like this just to see if I would have made money on Nasdaq. So asking for 149 points, and that'll be my entry. We'll be in the money right now. It was not in, right, at the 50k mark, I would have taken that trade. Just have to run in. There would have been like 300 bucks, I'm sure. Let me see how much that would have cost me. Oh, I can't have it on two sides. So let's just have here. And then after this, I'm just gonna leave this trade alone, because I'm just being too much right now. 142 plus 170. What do you have there? Ooh, that would be a good setup. Maybe. Oh, is that gold? No, it's not. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Follow your brother. Come on, gold. Follow your sister. Come on, come on, come on. You can do this. Oh, Nasdaq is flying. Okay. We got buy sides up here. We're just asking for a little. Wow, that was a good one. My entry will probably be, it was so conservative right there. Then maybe ask for a little more. $189 points. Okay. You're charging. What you doing? Gold. Come on, let's go. It's now 7:30. We have no momentum at all. The thing is, if I get out, this thing is gonna fly up. Oh, I know how you walk. Oh boy. This guy doing. What is it? So if I do 2 entries, I can't help it but always be above 250. So I don't know. We don't want to go anywhere. Okay, I'll have this. Yeah, that's perfect. I'll let it just be down here. Alright, in the meantime, let me go design today's. I'm not designing anything, I'm just editing. I already did the design. Today's thumbnail. Today's day 5. Now this for a lot of people is too much time just spending on what's going on here. It's too much time spending on evaluation, on a challenge. I just chose to go slow. As much time as it wants to take, we're just gonna go slow. 2005. Let's go. And Q still going up. Oh boy. I guess this is a disadvantage of hip hopping, I guess. But this should easily follow. As I was saying, I thought that they're not correlated, but I don't know. Maybe if we look at US 100, XAU, USD, and US 100, then they are doing the opposite thing. Let me finish here. That would be a nice. Yeah, 5. Bruh, can you just go up, get it over with? I know gold can just shoot up. Oh, you can do it, sir. Don't keep us here. This is still striving. We'll be up 100 points. But this guy lured me in. Yeah. Now gold is golden. Let's go, sir. Gold is golden. Okay, I'm not touching that anymore. Just leave it alone now. What's the other thing I wanted to do? Small mini trend line right there. Hey, wrong direction. Go up. What is it doing? Okay, this is no copyright as well. Let's see that music looks like.
Yes, you can make money on Airbnb with $0 through a new method called Airbnb co-listing. You don't have to rent or own any properties. Let me show you how it works.
Step number 1, go to Craigslist for your local market and click on the housing category. Step number 2, click on this button to see the oldest listings for rent.
The thumbnail is ready, but we'll do that later after the stream. Gold, what happened? That rejection was not so good, bro. Ooh wee. All right, give me a second here. This verse, I think we've done this one before, right? As for me and my house, I don't think we have. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. Okie doke. I can't keep it in the middle. Yeah. Right there. Thank you. Now I just messed up my setting. That light was kind of like right here. Whatever. Now we're good. Ooh. Nasdaq is tanking, man. So this guy is gonna do the same. Should we just close here? I don't like how things look. And even if it goes and hits our TP, I'll be fine. Or do I just submit? I mean, you're already in there. Because this is taking forever. What time is it? 7:08. It's now 7:44. That's like what? 30 what? 34 minutes. Aish, that's a long time to wait for a setup to finish. Okay, let's just submit. It don't look so good though. I don't know where that sound is coming from. 7:45 a.m. So we have 1 hour 15 minutes. Or if we hit a stop loss, or if we take profit, whatever comes first. Before we end the stream. I don't like this. I just don't like this. Nasdaq is really tanking. That rejection was quite a rejection. So tomorrow is Saturday. Excuse me. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll be doing a review of all the trades that we took today. So the stream might start a little late, maybe at 7 or 8, just half an hour max. We do a review of all the trades we took, see what we should have improved, what we should have engaged in that we did not. And probably that's why I'm chasing gold here, because I saw 2 good setups on Monday and Tuesday and I didn't take them. So probably that's what I'm chasing here. Otherwise, we will be crying right now. Nasdaq. Stop loss just about get hit. If we took this trade, that is. But we did not. And this guy right here might work for us, so. Oh boy. Yeah, I think we're gonna get smoked here. This time we just close below the 100 EMA. $16 is still above 50. So still some hopes there. But if that closes below, yeah, it's game over. By the time it's closing below 50, I think we'll have hit that stop loss right there. We about to get smoked. Yeah. It's game over. So 3 losses, 2 wins for the week. Okay. We've been taken out after waiting for all that time. Probably I should have done what I wanted to do. Get out here. But then again, this could have easily also gone up. Maybe. And the Nasdaq setup would also fail after seeing 111 points to the upside. Okie doke, I'm gonna end the stream here. We just got smoked and it's all good. That was a planned loss, so it's okay. So we are back down to 49,812. Not bad, but we are in drawdown, right? So I decided to take the gold setup. Nasdaq had not yet formed. And we just got smoked. So we saw a potential of, so that was just an excitement there of 13 points on gold, and our stop loss is 17. So a little shy of 1:1. Not really. 0.75. And I'm gonna end the stream here. So a quick review. We start on the 15-minute time frame and kind of saw this level here, these up candles before we shot down. That level for me was confirmed with this candle. This is the 630 volatility, and we found support, and then we see somewhat bullish candles here. And then on the 1 minute, at this 7:15 period is where my setup formed on the 1 minute. So all these EMAs line up and we come back and touch that 50. So the actual entry would have been on this candle here, but I prefer to wait for 1.7, still to 1.2. I prefer to wait for a trend line break for me to kind of get a confirmation that we really want to go up. Sometimes it's too late, sometimes whatever, but I just feel confident doing that. If I miss this trade, then I probably would have taken this break here, not this one. That's a break too, but the candles kind of form here, so that would have been another maybe setup to take. Did we see 1:2? No, we did not. So even hindsight is not on our side here. All in all, I think it was a good setup. The thing is though, the structure here kind of looked okay, but if you look at Nasdaq, the 15-minute structure, we're taking buy side and taking sell side, taking buy side, taking sell side. I mean, that was quite a good move for TPs, but with my way of entry, yeah, that was not good enough. I needed a little bit more. So it's all good. We'll be back again on Monday. So oh yeah, always remember to make sure all these positions are taken out. So make sure you are flattening everything, because it's easy to leave those positions just laying in there. Price can just come. Oh yeah, I don't know why they don't provide people with those OCO entries. I mean, we could do that on Ninja Trader easily. So the next stream is gonna be on Monday, God willing, at the same time, 6:30. And then tomorrow around 7, 8, or maybe even 6, I'm gonna do a review of all the trades that I took this week. So we've had 3 losses and 2 wins. So we should be up, so 4R and 3R. So we should be up 1R, but we're kind of down, right? That's because the futures kind of work a little bit different. It's kind of hard to define. Like, for example, I just want to take $250. That will depend on, you know, the stop loss size and how much of a contract you can take. It can only be 1 or 2 or 3. I think they should change that, so we can have like 1.1, 1.2, and that will be easy to kind of manage your trades. But for now, it is what it is. So it also could be an advantage of when you're winning, right? So pretty much that's it. So I'm just gonna go and journal this. If you'd like, I'll just do it real quick before we close. So 2, 13, 26. Only took 1 trade on gold, GCJ. Our entry was at 708. Okay, I need a break here. Sorry about that, excuse me. All right, so it's right there. 7 or 8, bro. Why? Thank you. And this trade took so long, man. Probably I should have listened to my hunch. Now, do they want to go up? I mean, it happens. So just take me out to go back up. Oh no. I need to be on gold right there. And then we came out we were taken out at 7:49 a.m. That is 41 minutes. That's a long time. Oh, this one took 1 hour 19, but it was a win though. So we lost 17, 6 points. Zero. potential was like 13 points on gold. So that was like 0.7. Potential of 0 point. Ain't no point here, bro. What? And then we're gonna take that picture just to see what was really going on here. So I'm gonna have this right interval only. Can I do 2? Okay, now that's clean, and then I'm gonna take that picture. And today price, do you want to move? Copy link. Right there. So I think I also want to add a few more columns here. Maybe kind of see how much the risk is. I don't know if that is important. Anyway, that's it. I'm done. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning for a review if you're interested. I need to also start updating the stats here, so when you come in you can actually see you know, how much we lost or whatever, or just put the actual loss or profit on the thumbnail. That'll be nice too. Anyway, I'm out. So that was trader Mawera with Mawera Capital, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'm out. God be with you all, and the peace of God be with you. And I'm out.